most traders enter too early or too late. So in this video, I will show you how to find sniper entries on gold step by step. So that you can improve timing and avoid chasing trades. As I've always told you that gold moves so fast, so you have to be in the right direction of the market. Okay, so now to get sniper entries on gold, always trade with a trend, guys. And when you trade with a trend, always like wait for the liquidity sweep. When you wait for the liquidity sweep, you will actually trade the script. You trade the script of the market. Okay, so now for example here, this market is a bearish one. Okay, it is a bearish one, but now it reached a time and it has started going up, right? We can see it right here. When you clearly look here, okay, the market started moving up from here. It was creating the bullish momentum here, and it came and took out this liquidity. Can you see this? Let me show you this, guys. Right after market moving up, it left here liquidity. It left here what we call liquidity, right? And actually the market came and swept that liquidity. Can you see the sweep here? See the sweep here? The market actually swept from this support level right here. So this is a sniper entry. Okay, after the market is sweeping this support level, there is no any way it will come back, right? Because we are in a bullish market. That means it has given us some bullish momentum. This is a scalping trade. Scalpers would just enter here and you exit right from this resistance level right here, because the market can turn from this resistance level. Okay, so now here the market, since it is creating some bullish signals, also as we are going to now look for support levels. Now the market has left for us a support level right here. We want to get our sniper entry from right here. Okay, always wait for the sweep of liquidity. Let's see here, right here the market is testing from our, can you see the market has reached our support level, but we have not got any entry because it is still moving. We want to see the sweep of liquidity to upside. Okay, this is the very nice one, guys. After the market coming to your support level, can you see how it has swept our liquidity? Here there is no way it will go back because we are in a bullish trend and all the early buyers have been removed, guys, right? After removing all the early buyers, it is we now to enter those people who have waited, who have been patient, guys. So now here you come and enter your market right here. Of course, we are going to enter after the sweep of liquidity and giving us bullish sign here, and also we are going to put our stop loss just below that candle, and the TP, it is a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 trade, guys. We put it right here, and our stop loss, of course, it is going to be right here, guys. Okay, so now this is a very good trade, because there is no way it is going to come and take away our stop loss, guys, because it has taken out liquidity. It has taken out the early buyers, guys. Can you see what it is doing now, right? After us entering our market and we put a 1 to 2 trade, guys. So now just know this is a very good sniper entry strategy. Now this is another good example that we can talk about. Remember, we first identified the trend. Here the market was in a bearish trend because of this break of market structure, the downside, guys. That means we have to look for our resistance, right? The market moved down and left for us this resistance level right here. Okay, and when it leaves a resistance level, wait for the market to come to that level, sweep the liquidity, remove the early sellers, then you enter as a big boy, right? So now let's wait for it and we see. Remember, it has broken structure from down here. Now we are waiting for the retracement. This is the retracement that we are waiting for, guys. Okay, so let's see. So can you see this, guys? The market has come to your resistance level and it has swept liquidity. It has removed the early sellers. Now after removing the early sellers, it has given us a very good confirmation, which is a bearish engulfing candlestick, right? So you can see our resistance, and it has swept, leaving a wick up there. It means that here now you come and enter the market. There is no way it will go up because we are in a bearish market, guys. Here you enter your short position. You can enter it from right here, though here the stop loss will be big because the confirmation candle is kind of long, but here it is a sure. The trade is actually going to happen. Okay, it is going to reach our TP. Okay, so here it is a 1 to 1. It is fine. You can trade a 1 to 1. But now here, just know the trade is going to reach our TP, guys, right? Because it has done everything that we want it to do. You can see even immediately after the market has reached our TP, guys, because it has done everything. It has swept liquidity, it broke structure, the downside, and it has given us a bearish candlestick. Okay, so now, guys, when you really trade this strategy, you will get quick trades and you'll get faster profits in the market, guys. So if this video has helped you, consider subscribing to this channel, share it to friends so that they can also benefit.